All right, so it says Kristen timed herself reading her science book over the weekend and found out that she reads at a rate of 2 pages for every 4 minutes. Complete the ratio table, then plot the points. So you have your time, which is your x. So your time is your x. And then your pages read is your y. Is your y. So you have your time, x, pages read, y. So you have to figure out the pattern here. Well, how did I get to 2 to 4? Well, I times it by 2. So that pattern has to go all the way through your chart. All right, you have to put times 2 all the way through. Because when you're filling out a table, there's a pattern in it, and you have to determine it, and it has to go all the way through. So 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Well, what times 2 gives you 6? 3. 5 times 2, 10. What times 2 gives you 16? 8. Well, we know that our time is our x, so that's our first number. 2, and then pages read is our second number, which is our y for our ordered pair. So you have 4, 2. 6 is your x. 3 is your y. 10 is your x. 5 is your y. 16 is your x. 8 is your y. All right, so now we have to plot those ordered pairs on our coordinate grid. So we start at our point of origin, which is 0, 0. So I have to walk to 2, and I'm going to fly to 1. Fly to 1. Then I have 4, 2. So I'm going to walk to 4, fly to 2. 6, 3 is next. Start at my point of origin, walk to 6, fly to 3. 10, 5. Start at my point of origin, walk to 10, fly to 5. All right, it's very important that you follow the path of the line, because if you detour or you go to a different part of that line, or a part of the graph, it's going to be a different number. So the next one is 16, 8. So you start at your point of origin, you're going to walk to 16, fly up to 8. So there's your points for your graph, okay? So I have 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 10, 5, and 16, 8. And that is your lesson for today.